Are you curious about the next big leap in energy? Exposing the secrets behind nuclear fusion on Earth. Imagine a world where we can harness the same energy that powers the sun. That's what nuclear fusion promises. Unlike nuclear fission, which splits atoms apart, fusion combines them, releasing massive amounts of energy. The best part? It's safer and produces less radioactive waste. So, how does it work? Fusion happens when two light atomic nuclei, like hydrogen, smash together at high speeds, creating a heavier nucleus and tons of energy. Scientists are using powerful magnetic fields and super hot plasma to make this happen here on Earth. While we're still in the experimental stage, the potential is huge. Clean, limitless energy that could power our future. Stay tuned, because the era of nuclear fusion is just around the corner.